Hello everyone, welcome to SaiTechnical Learning. So let's start with the part 5 of HTML for beginners. So in part 4, we have discussed about the text link, the image link, the email link, block level elements like div elements, the inline elements like span elements, the class attributes, id attributes, and iframe. So today we will start with the JavaScript in HTML. So the script tag is used to define client-side script like the JavaScript. So a script is a small piece of program that can add interactivity to your website. For example, a script could generate a pop-up alert box or provide a drop-down menu. So the common use of JavaScripts are image manipulations, form validation, and dynamic change of contents. To select HTML elements, JavaScript uses the document.getElementById method. For example, here we have used the script, then inside script we have used document.getElementById and name of ID, that is demo. That means this statement will search for the demo ID in your web page. And then we have used .inner HTML equals to hello JavaScript. That means whenever the demo ID searched, it print hello JavaScript in that particular element. Next one, that is head element in HTML. So the element that is head element, it is the container for all the head elements like title, style, meta, link, script, and base tag. For example, the title tag, which defines the title of documents and is required in all HTML documents. So for defining title tag, we simply required title tag, the name of title, and again we need to close that title tag. That means here the page title will be displayed on the tab of your web browser. Next one, that is style element. So it is used to define the style information for single HTML page, as we already know in CSS. Next one, that is link element, which is used to link to external style sheets. Next one, that is meta element, which is used to specify which character set is used, page descriptions, keywords, author, and other metadata. For example, here we have first one, that is meta attribute, that is character set equals to UTF-8. So here first one, that is character set, which identify that which character set is available in particular web page. Second one, that is meta name equals to description. That means it basically provides the information about that particular web page. So here we have content is equals to HTML for beginners. Third one, the name is equals to keywords. So here we have to write the keywords which is related to our web page. For example, here we have content is equals to HTML, CSS, XML, JavaScript, etc. Similarly, last one, that is name of author. So content is equals to SaiTechnical Learning. So you can write the name of author, you can write the keywords for your web page, you can write the description for the web page with the help of meta element. Next one, that is the layout in HTML. So a web page layout is very important to give better look to your website. HTML offers several semantic elements that defines the different part of web page. So here we have different kinds of elements, that is first one header, second navigation element, section element, article elements, aside element, footer element, the details element, and the summary elements. So let's start with the first one, that is float layout. So it is the most common to do entire web layout using the CSS float property. The float is easy to learn. You just need to remember how the float and clear property works. Similarly, next one, that is flexbox layout. So flexbox layout is a new layout mode in CSS 3. It ensures that the element behave predictably when the page layout must accommodate different screen sizes and different display devices. And the last one, that is grid layout. So the CSS grid layout module offers a grid-based layout system with rows and columns, making it easier to design and web page without having to use float and positionings. So let's start how it actually performed. So here in demonstration we have first one, that is head element, and inside head, as our discussion, we are having the certain tags like title, meta tag, link tag, style tag. Okay, so here title tag we have used SaiTechnical learning. That means the SaiTechnical learning will be displayed in the tab of web browser. Similarly, we have used the character set, which is UTF-8. We have used the description for the web page. We have used the keywords for the web page. We have used the author name for the web page. Here again we have used the viewpoint for the web page again. Next we have used the link tag. So link tag basically used to link the external style sheet. Similarly, the style element, which is used to add internal CSS. So here we have used certain CSS which is basically used for the float layout. Like here we have used star, and for that we have used property, box, sizing and value, that is border box. Similarly, we have used style for the body, header element, navigation element. Inside the navigation element we have used style for UL as well, for article as well, for section, for footer, and for the responsive layout we have used the style for NAV as well as the article tag, that is 100% and height is equals to auto. So let's move to the body part. So here for the body part we have used background color, that is light gray. Now over here, how to use JavaScript in HTML. So first we have used p tag, that is paragraph tag, and for its attribute we have used id is equals to demo, and inside paragraph we have SaiTechnical learning, and again we have closed p tag. Now here we have used button tag, which is basically used to create the button. So here we have used type is equals to button, and here we have used one event, that is on click. So when user clicked on the particular button, the my function will be called, because here we have used click here, that is the name of button. So when user clicked on the click here button, my function will be called. So here we have used the script, that is JavaScript. We have created one function, that is function space my function, which is the name of function, and inside that what we have done, document.get element by id, and here we are using the name demo. That means that this line will search the demo id from your web page, and here we have used inner.html. That means now for this id it print hello JavaScript. That means this particular statement will replace this SaiTechnical learning with hello JavaScript when user clicked on click here button. Similarly, we can change the style of HTML with the help of JavaScript. So again we have used p tag, and for p tag we have used id, that is style change. Again we have used same name, that is SaiTechnical learning. Now we have created one function, that is my style function. So when user clicked on the particular button, the my style function will be called. So inside that we have document.get element by id. Now here we have used the particular id, that is the id which we have provided over here. So style underscore change. Now here we have used style.font size. That means for this particular id the font size is 25, the color is red, and background color that is blue. So when user clicked on this button, the my style function will be called and whatever statement written over here will be executed. So now next one, how actually the float layout works. So for float layout we have used simple text, that is paragraph text. So some text goes over here. Now next we have used inbuilt header tag in HTML. So inside that we have simply used SaiTechnical learning. Now next one, that is section tag, and inside section tag we have used two different tags. First one that is nav tag, that is navigation tag, and second one that is the article tag. So inside nav we have simply provided one information which is an order list, and in article tag we have used certain information about the SaiTechnical learning. So the section element is over. Now next one, that is the footer, because we must require footer at the end of the web page. So again the inbuilt footer tag is available. So here we have simply written the footer. So let's see the demonstration how actually this HTML page look like. So here we have, so first what we have done over here, we have replaced the text which is given in p tag with the id demo. So what will be the output when we clicked on the click here button? So let's see. So when we clicked on the button, now the text is replaced with hello JavaScript. Similarly for second one, what we have done, when user clicked on this particular button, the style of this SaiTechnical learning will be changed. So let's see. So we can see that the style of SaiTechnical learning is changed when user clicked on that particular button. Now next one, that is the float layout. So here we can see that first by default we have used the tag, that is the header tag. So here we can see that the header tag is applied over here. Now next tag, that is section tag. So for section tag, the first parameter we have used, or first element we have used, that is navigation element, and second one that is the article element. So here we have two section for section tag, and last one that is the footer tag. So automatically this kind of functionality will be displayed. Now we have used the responsive design for this particular float layout. That means whenever we minimize the screen, automatically the layout will be changed. For example, if we minimize this, so you can see that the arrangement of that particular web page is changed accordingly. So this is also called as the responsive design for the particular layout. So this is all about